Hey everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this short video I am going to show you how you can fix unable to authorize please try again error on TikTok. If you're also facing this kind of error on your TikTok account right now, in this video I will show you how you can fix that. First of all, you need to close your TikTok, and after that you need to open your iPhone settings app. In settings app you need to tap on general. After tapping the general, you need to scroll down. Okay, tap on date and time and make sure your date and time set on automatically. Okay, after that you need to try again login. If that method not working, then move to the next solution. The next solution is check your language and region. Okay, make sure you are selected your region right now where you are living. If you are using any VPN, just check the VPN. To check that, you need to tap on VPN and device management. Check the device VPN. Make sure you are not connected with any VPN. You can see right now it's not connected any VPN. If you're connected any VPN, just remove the VPN and then try to again log in your TikTok account. If that method is also not working, then move to the next solution. The next solution is tap on general. After tapping the general, you need to tap on apps. Okay, right now you can see appears on screen. Find your TikTok. You can see right now here is showing TikTok app. Just uninstall the TikTok app and then reinstall it. After that you need to try to log in again. It will 100% log in. So guys, after watching this video, I hope you will all know how to fix TikTok account not authorized error showing on TikTok account. Hope this video is helpful for you. If the video is helpful for you, don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos notifications. Thanks for watching.